There are 3 reasons why you should do landing pages: more leads, more sales, and validate your idea. Hey from the future, it's String. I'm going to show you 7 different ways on how to use landing pages using Wix, because it's sponsored by them too. It's all about your real estate. Not my face, real estate. When you're creating your landing page, make the most of your screen, or when it comes to your mobile, make the use of your mobile screen. Optimize for the screen experience. It's all about your audience. Never forget who you are trying to serve. Understand their problems, understand what they're facing. The fastest way to understand them is think from their perspective. Create compelling headlines. People actually use clickbait titles as a way to grab people's attention, but that's a wrong way to do it because it loses credit when you do it that way. So a good example of headlines is 7 ways to create landing pages using Wix, or 7 awesome ways to use Wix to create landing pages. Use videos. Video is a great way to show your personality and amplify your message, but also it has a high trust factor as well. But remember, a secret is to use testimonial videos from your clients. Add trust indicators. Have you won any awards? Have you been on press? Have you got customer testimonials? But data and stats are also trust factors. For example, out of 1,000 Americans, 16% would love to marry a fried chicken. Me too. And it will be a great honeymoon in my stomach. Have a strong call to action. Be strong, don't be limp. By having one directional and super specific call to action, like join my fried chicken party. You have everything you need to know on how to create a landing page. A good one. But there's more! Hang on. In this blog link below, there's 7 different ways on how to create landing pages using Wix. Link below.
Let's use Wix to create your site. First go to wix.com/go/stringtheory. Then click on Get Started. Wix has a lot of templates for you to choose from. There's hundreds and hundreds for you to pick. From businesses to portfolios, pick one that suits you. The Wix backend experience is all about the drag and drop experience. You can pick your videos as a carousel, photos, text, or buttons. But most importantly, don't forget to add your social channels as well. One of my favorite features is the light boxes, where you could have pop-ups like fried chicken things. But if you're into coding, you could even geek out and add more development tools like the Wix code. When you're ready, get started with your own site at wix.com.